Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be how to apply eyeliner in under 5 minutes in a really simple way. Today I'm going to show you my tips and tricks, and hopefully it helps you in applying your eyeliner a little bit quicker. Today I'm actually going to use a liquid liner for today's video. However, you could definitely use a powder, a pencil, or a gel eyeliner. And all these tips definitely apply to all of those as well. I'm going to use the Models Prefer eyeliner, and this is the Samantha Jade one actually. I really like this one. The way I like to apply eyeliner is I like to map out exactly where I like to trace the line of my eyeliner first. I think this is a great way to apply your eyeliner and foolproof as well, because every eye shape is different. So if you kind of map out exactly where or what kind of shape of eyeliner you'd like, then you could just trace it and then it'll be a lot quicker. So for my eyeshadow, I've just applied Charlotte Tilbury's cream eyeshadow as my base. But I would just say do your eyeshadow first before you apply your eyeliner. So first off, I'm going to kind of see what type of eyeliner shape that I would like to do. Today I'm going for more of a natural wing. So I'm just going to kind of keep my eyes straight in the mirror and just do the tiniest dot. As you can see, you probably can't even see it, but it's the tiniest little dot, and that's where I want my wing to go. So today I'm actually going to do half an eyeliner. That's my preferred look. But if you'd like to do a full eyeliner, you could just start from the inner corner. So I'm starting off here. So I'm just I've just drawn a little dot there as well. So my starting. So I might need my other hand as well. So what I like to do is kind of pull the skin a little bit, and then do very thin kind of strokes. And then once I've drawn my initial kind of flick, then I can change the thickness or keep it quite thin as well if I like. So for this, I'm going to actually draw a little bit underneath now. And that's it. It's so simple, right? So I'm going to do this exact same for the other eye. And I do know that sometimes one eye is a lot easier to do, and in that case it's definitely my right eye. So let's apply the same tips to the second eye. So again, I've just drawn that little dot there exactly where I want my wing to go. Draw another dot where I want the wing to start, or where I want the liner to start. See how I've connected that as well to the other dot? And that is my finished wing. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time, a little bit of practice, but this is a very kind of simple, easy to wear wing. So that's it for today's look. I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and I hope that you picked up something. And if this video did help you, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. Also, please, if you haven't already, subscribe, and if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.